This amalgam replacement case is highlighted in the interproximator summary video. I will share with you the reconstruction of this lower quadrant. The first slides show the pre-wedges in position. For medium and large size Class II composites, I prefer to restore the occlusal first, then the interproximal last. Even though it breaks up the procedure, I am still faster than the old-fashioned technique with a metal matrix. That is because I am able to single load fill the interproximal instead of layering 3 or 4 levels as are required in the old metal matrix approach. Notice here on slide 3 that the pre-wedge is still in place, and I actually left a small band of amalgam at the gingival margin. The last of the amalgam will be removed when I re-prepare the interproximal. Slide 4 shows that I have covered the dentin with flowable composite, but I do not allow the flowable to touch any enamel walls. If you allow that to happen, you will have C-factor problems, and the flowable will lift off of the dentin as you light cure. This is a big problem as far as sensitivity. Keep in mind that the best flowable composites still have around a 4% shrinkage factor. Slide 5 demonstrates that the occlusal is restored. What you do not see is that I have not placed any composite into the interproximal. On slide 6, you see a lightning strip cleaning up the distal surface. I have also re-prepared the distal with a coarse flame diamond to create the Clark Class II saucer shape. Slide 7 shows the Bioclear TFM, or tall flat molar matrix, and a thin isthmus interproximator. Slide 8 shows the etchant in place. The folks at 3M report that freshened composite has plenty of methacrylate sites to bond to, and we can do this technique with full confidence. Let's take a look at the post-operative views captured a few weeks later. Because the Clark Class II and the Bioclear matrix system allow the composite to wrap around the whole interproximal, we have better sealed margins. Better aesthetics are possible with the infinity edge margins and a full rounded embrasure that mimics the natural tooth shape. The contact is broad and strong, which in turn allows rounded marginal ridges that are less prone to fracture than the point contact that we see with flat metal matrices combined with old-fashioned wedges.